coaching class app. The initial screen will be splash screen. This app is for Saraswati coaching classes and the logo is education at its best. Once splash screen is done, the user will come to the registration screen. This is the registration screen. He can register using the email address, password. He can select the classes like he's in first standard, second standard, third standard, and he can select the board. As there are different education boards, he can select the education board, and then he can register. Once register and once the coaching class admin approves, he will be able to log into the system. And once the student log into the system, he will be able to select the subject. This is the home subject, like for whatever the education has whatever the student has opted for, the subjects will be available to him. So this is the home screen. It will have English, Maths, Physics, Chemistry, Biology, and once he select, for example, if he selects Maths, then he will go to the lectures screen. Lectures have three components. Okay, so the lectures has three components. One is video, second is notes, and third is assignment. Initially it will be the videos, so chapter wise there will be videos, and yeah, so these are the videos. So chapter wise videos are there, and the student can also see the notes that has been uploaded by the teacher. So once he clicks on the notes, he will be taken to the notes screen where he can see all the notes uploaded by the teacher. He can click over the download button and download the PDF, and can, or even in the mobile app itself he can see the PDF and read the notes, or he can download whatever he wants. And see, these are the notes of the chapters, chapter wise notes. And next is the assignment. Assignment is like homework. Teacher will again upload assignments from the admin, so student can see the assignment list of assignment. Student can download the assignment and submit it practically at the coaching classes. And other tabs, if you see, we have a timetable button. Once the user clicks on the timetable, he will be taken to the uh, timetable window, and timetable will have his slot, like his time slot is 8:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. and the subject was Monday to Max, Tuesday it will be English, Wednesday it will be grammar, such a way. So, and other screens we have is uh, take exams. Like once student clicks or taps on the take exam, it will be take exam screen, and take exams will be have list of all the exam papers that has been uploaded by the teacher from the admin panel, and student can download the exams and note down on the paper and submit the exams. So once the exams have been submitted, student can click on the exam result and check his list of check his result, whatever the result has been, for example, whatever the score he has scored. For example, in max exam paper 1 he scored 99%. This will be, the percentage will be or the marks will be given by the coaching sir, and he will upload it from the admin panel. He will check the paper and he will give marks according to the performance of the student. And the contact will open a WhatsApp message so that student can send directly message to the teacher and ask any questions. So this is the coaching class app. Hope you have enjoyed and liked that. If any question or query, you can get in touch with me and I'll be happy to help you. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.